saw the Ten of Cups, the Full. Eight of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. Everybody could have been leaving a situation, or everybody could have gone in the direction of something, or some kind of something of nostalgic value. Or yeah, it feels like people are going back to something. It feels like everybody has turned their back on something else in order to be a part of something, in order to participate in something. There could also be a situation where somebody is could be celebrating something that is void, or they could be happy that somebody does not seem to know, or does not seem to mind something. They seem to be letting something slide. This is a little bit of more of a negative energy. We go into this Eight of Swords and this Three of Pentacles. Yeah, it's some kind of industry or a group that is finding themselves in a situation where they can't move forward, or they don't necessarily, they've never had to deal with something, or yeah, it's some kind of problem, some kind of hesitance. What I feel is a situation where like there's nobody wants to be the first to admit that they didn't know something, or that it's some kind of thing that's keeping them stuck, because like nobody wants to be the first one to go search it up and admit that they don't know how to solve this problem. And it's some kind of thing that happened for a while, where they couldn't find a solution because they were caught up in some kind of I don't know, it doesn't feel that negative, but they're caught up in some kind of not knowing what to do, like, or not having a leader. So like not having leadership, nobody took the lead, there wasn't anybody that went and took the lead and gave an idea, and was like raised their hand and be like, yeah, let's do this. People were just kind of looking at each other, and nobody knew what to do, or how to move forward. Or it could not have even like been mentioned. It could be a clear problem that nobody wanted to recognize, something like that. Four of Pentacles, it's because something could be singular, something could be very singular, or you could be protecting or keeping something that is yours with this Knight of Cups. Something, yeah, so something could be singular or particular, or it could be yours. And there's this Knight of Cups, which is a way for you to extend some kind of an emotional message to someone, extend some words that somebody would like to hear in some kind of way, an appeal. Yeah, or somebody could be asking something, like nicely asking for something. Nine of Cups. Does look like that goes very well. And there's an Emperor. Yeah, something could be like close to yeah, like it just feels very good, or it could be close to like the highest, or close to perfection. And there's a Knight of Swords, somebody that could be wanting to challenge, or that acts on behalf of this Emperor, or somebody could want to challenge this Emperor on some kind of idea. There's two Knights here. One is confrontational, and the other one is kind of just slow on this positive energy. It doesn't look like they're trying to be challenged. I mean, Emperor is kind of It's a forward moving energy. Let's see. The Six of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. There could be some kind of solution that a conclusion or a solution to something that's actually easy. Like it takes for you to change something up. It takes for you to change something up or go back on something. But it's definitely